Hey, I hope everybody's having a great, fantastic Friday. In today's video, I'm going to show you our SKF bearings, some of the inventory that we have. So if you have a need for that type of thing, give us a call, check us out on our website, and direct message us on Facebook. Have a great weekend. What you're looking at here is some of the large inventory that we have on SKF products. We have used SKF bearings for over 20 years and we have had great success with those. In stock, we do keep straight bored and tapered bearings for all housings. We keep seals, nuts, and lock rings for all designs. And we also keep bearings and housings for all designs. We have a readily available stock for emergency jobs, and we can interchange with Dodge, Link-Belt, and Timken. Also at the end of this video, you'll see some belts that we do keep in stock as well. These are not SKF brand, however we do keep a large stock of belts. If this looks like something that you need, or you just need somebody to come out and take a look and make sure that you are up to date on your maintenance with your bearings and your belts and things like that, give us a call, and you can also direct message us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.